Presenting Dusty the Dog, Master of Scoots. Oh, there he goes. Incredible. Tayto. Sorry about this. Tayto can be a bit rude. Alright, where were we? Oh, even outside. Tayto, get out of here. Dusty's doing his scoots. Tayto, let Dusty scoot. Tayto, could you move, please? Don't, Tayto. Tayto! Oh, Tayto. So rude. So impolite. Poor Dusty. Dusty, don't give up scooting. Please, we need you to scoot. Now more than ever. Dusty, I know you're upset. Dusty, no! Oh, you don't need to steal his toy. Dusty, you and Tayto shouldn't be fighting. Maybe you could teach him how to scoot. I don't think he's getting it. There's only one pro scooter in this house, and his name is Dusty. At least you two are friends again. Tayto, come on.
Dodo Kids.
Help the kittens find the subscribe button.